Yes, today we are going to study about image tag, IMG tag. IMG tag is used to insert an image in a web page. You can insert different images in a web page. We have studied that to give an image as a background, we can use body background attribute, but it will be displayed as the background of a web page. IMG tag is used to insert an image wherever it is required. You can give anywhere inside the web page, the image can be inserted. IMG tag is an empty tag. Next we are going to discuss about what all are the attributes of IMG tag. If we are using IMG tag, the main attribute that you have to use along with IMG tag is SRC. Because when we are going to insert an image, we have to specify the name and location of the image. So, to specify the name and location of an image, we are using IMG SRC. SRC means System Resource Center, which is used to give the name and the location of the image. Here is the syntax. That is, if you want to insert a picture flower.jpg, you have to give the full path, that is which drive, which folder and the name of the image. And if the image is saved on the desktop, you can just simply give it as src equal to lotus.jpg. If lotus.jpg is saved on the desktop, you can use the image by simply specifying the name of the image. But the image, if the image is saved anywhere in the drive, desktop allada, if it is saved anywhere in the drive, you have to give the entire path, that is which drive, which folder and the name of the file. Second attribute is align. Align is used to specify the text in respect to the image. We will be having text in the web page related to the picture. So align is used to align the text related to the web page. There you can give three values: left, right and center. Then you have the third attribute border, which is used to give border for the image. Here you have the syntax, align is equal to center. Then I have given border as 6. That is, for image you can use borders. So the width of the border will be shown as 6. Now take a notepad and write the program like this. Here I have used an image flower.jpg. Why I have written flower.jpg? Because flower.jpg is saved on the desktop. So I don't want to give the entire name over here. So it is not required to give the entire name over here. Can you see the output? So the output is hello. The picture will be there. Hello, it is on the center because we have given it as align. And can you see a black border there? See, if I haven't given border, can you see the change there? So got the use of a border. Border is used to give the border for the picture. So we have studied what is the use of an image tag. IMG tag is an empty tag which is used to insert image on a web page. The main attribute of image tag is SRC. You can use other attributes like border, align, etc. along with the image tag. So that's all for today. Thank you.